Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create videos from photos on Canva. So the first thing that we are going to do is to of course open our browser. Now, once you open your browser right here, on the search bar, just search for canva.com and then click on enter. And then after you do that, make sure that you are logged in into your account. So once you're now logged in into your account, what we are going to do next is to click on video right here. So once you click on video, what we're going to do is to choose our format. So if you want to create a landscape video, you can click on this. However, if you want to create a mobile video or a TikTok video, of course, we're going to click on this. So let's say, for example, we're going to create a TikTok video. So we're going to click on this instead. Now, in this part, we are now redirected into the Canva section. So what we're going to do next is to just, of course, upload our pictures or photos from our PC. So to do that, we're going to click on Uploads right here. And then we're going to click on Upload Files. And then just look for the picture that you want to add. Let's say, for example, that these are the pictures that we want to turn into a video. So click on Open. Now, once they're now uploaded, what we're going to do is to drag them into the timeline. Same goes for this one and then this one. Now, as you can see, we now have 3 pictures in our video. So if you want to edit them, let's say, for example, you want to make them shorter and then you want to make this longer, you can just drag the edge of the clip right here. And then you could also do a bunch of editing that you can see right here on the upper part of the screen. Now, let's say, for example, that we want to add a text. We can go here and then just click on add a heading. And then let's say, for example, we're going to put subscribe. And then we're going to change the color into color white. We're going to select this. And then once it is done, we can drag this all the way in to the very start of the video and then add the very last second of the video right here. And now, once you're done with this, let's say, for example, that you are now done with this, you can just go here on the share, which is located on the upper right corner of the screen. And then in this part, we're now going to click on download video. So click on download right here. And then for the file type, of course, we want to make sure that it is set to MP4 video. You can choose the quality, whether it's 480p, 720p, 1080p, and 4K. And then after that, just click on download right here. And then it is now downloading in this part. So all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. And then after that, we're going to click on open file right here to see our output or our video. So as you can see right here, this is what it looks like. So after that, you can now send it whoever you want to or upload it in social media. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.